Over 1 million young Catholics from around the world will participate in the Youth Jubilee in Rome over the next few days. It is a great celebration of the Church and a tribute to Pope John Paul II of Poland, who initiated meetings with young people in Rome and encouraged them to actively participate in the life of the Church. The Youth Jubilee is a spiritual feast. During this time, young people discover the voice of God in the community and experience the presence of other people. The Youth Jubilee takes place in the Catholic Church every 25 years. On this occasion, when the year is announced by the Pope, the Holy Doors are opened in Rome, and passing through the Holy Doors is one of the ways of experiencing the Jubilee, pilgrimage, and the desire to obtain a plenary indulgence. The youth meeting includes discussion panels, concerts, and space for prayer. One of the most interesting moments during the Jubilee will be a confession in a historic place, Circo Massimo, this Friday. On Saturday, the highlight of the day will be a vigil with the Holy Father. I came to the Youth Jubilee primarily to experience the living church from around the world and to meet our new Pope. I came to the Jubilee to see the places where the first Christians gave witness to their faith. Hundreds of thousands of young people from around the world will take part in the event, including as many as 20,000 from Poland. To experience the Holy Spirit in our lives together with them, to have fun and enjoy this faith, to combine all the beautiful things in our lives and to have fun together with God. Pilgrims express their joy at this event, saying that it brings hope and joy. Above all, the Youth Jubilee brings people together, and for many, the event itself is a dream come true. I am really happy to be here because I am discovering that even though we are young people from different communities, we are actually united and connected by one goal, which is God. In addition, we have the opportunity to meet new people and learn about a new culture. In addition to the Youth Jubilee, there is also a Jubilee for influencers and digital missionaries. Pope Leo XIV addressed the faithful in St. Peter's Basilica in the Vatican. Be creators of communion, capable of overcoming the logic of division and polarization, individualism and egocentrism. Focus on Christ to overcome the logic of the world, fake news and frivolity, with the beauty and light of truth. Sunday will be the last day of the Youth Jubilee, and it will be sealed with a Holy Mass, celebrated by Pope Leo XIV.